Hello and welcome back to a new video here in the Trading 401 channel. Today we are going to analyze the FxPrimus Broker. It's a Forex broker and CFD broker in which you can trade more than 200 markets. So you have to choose between Forex, equities, energy, precious metals and index. They have over 100,000 active traders and you can create an account from more than 140 countries around the world. They has more than 12 years in the market, and for example, you can choose between different trading platforms. For example, Metatrader 4, Metatrader 5, Ctrader, and even Webtrader. They receive different type of awards and distinctions around the world. They has a lot of presence in Asia mostly, but they are trying to expand globally. You can trade, for example, the euro-dollar, metals as silver, gold, energies as petrol or natural gas, equities, the main ones, for example, Chevron, Caterpillar, and the index, for example, the Dow Jones 30, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, and more. Remember that most of these assets are traded as CFDs, so you can trade with leverage, in which you can earn more and you can lose all your money. So remember that this video is not a recommendation or advice. You have to make your own decisions and take your own responsibilities. You can deposit money using different type of alternatives, for example Visa, Mastercard, but also e-wallet as Neteller, Skrill, or even cryptocurrencies. You have 4 types of accounts to choose between. For example, the most popular one is the Primus Pro, in which you have a small spread, but you have a fixed commission based on the amount of money that you trade. So you have to decide based on your needs if you prefer to have a spread or a commission. Commission is a fixed amount of money based on the lots that you are trading, the amount of money that you are trading, and the spread is the difference between the price in which you buy an asset and the price you sell the same asset. So this difference is the way that the broker makes money. If you decide to have a fee, you are going to have less spread. And also change the leverage based on the type of account that you decide to have. You have the possibility to use a leverage up to 1,000, and in this one you have up to 500. You have, for example, negative balance protections in order to avoid owing money to the broker, and you have different alternatives, different platforms based on, for example, if you want to use Ctrader, you have to decide to create an account using this one, Primus Classic. The minimum deposit also change. For example, in this case, you need at least to deposit $1,000, but in this one, you can start with low amount of money. If you decide to open an account in FxPrimus, you can use the link that I leave you in the description in the first comment. In that way, you're going to help the channel to keep growing. They also offer the possibility to copy trading, so if you want to delegate this to someone else, you can copy the performance of someone else. You can earn money in a passive way, but also you can lose money, so take that in mind. And the good thing about this is that you can use a demo account in which practice your strategy, you manage the risk, so you will understand how to trade before depositing any dollar. So in this way you can practice with zero risk, because you can trade as it is real money, but with fake money, with virtual money. Which platforms are available? You can use the classic and more traditional one that is called the Metatrader 4. It is available in more than 30 languages. You can download and install in your computer. In here you have the different alternatives. You can install this one in your Windows computer or even your Apple computer, your Mac. Or if you prefer to use the evolution that is called the Metatrader 5, you can even download it to your Android phone, or you can use the Ctrader platform. This one that is the platform that I prefer, but you can choose the one that you best suits your need. Webtrader is another alternative because, for example, if you have a computer from your shop and you're not able to install any software, you can start trading using a website. So you log in with your credentials and you start placing orders using a traditional website. You don't have to install nothing in your computer. You have different time frames, you have different indicators to add to your chart, and make your own technical analysis to decide when it's better to open a trade or close a trade. Which are the deposit and withdrawal methods? You can deposit using bank transfers, local transfers. In here you have the minimum amount of money. For example, in here, the minimum amount of money to open an account or to deposit is $100. You can also use, for example, debit or credit cards, Visa or Mastercard, and also e-wallets. As it says here, all the fees are covered by FxPrimus. And remember, if you decide to deposit with a specific method, then when you want to withdraw, the money is going to go straight away to that specific method. So if you deposit using a bank transfer, the money is going to withdraw to that specific bank account. This is a regulated broker. It's regulated in Cyprus, in Europe, and also in Vanuatu and Iceland near Australia. In here you have the details. For example, if you operate using Primus Markets International, your account is going to be regulated by Vanuatu regulation, and if you trade from Europe, you are going to be regulated by Cyprus and Iceland in Europe in front of Turkey. This is the end of the video. Remember to subscribe, to leave a comment if you have any question, and if you want to create an account, you can use the link to the video in the description and the first comment to help the channel to keep growing. See you, bye.